Nama saya Tomas. Saya juru TikTok bola sepak di PS Makassar. Apa kabar?
Baik.
Good morning.
Morning, coach.
Technical area, you're the boss. Memperkenalkan pelatih baru di PSM itu adalah coach Tomas Trucha. Itu korek? Tomas Trucha. Hampir Trucha. Tomas Trucha dari Ceko. Tentu adalah sebuah kesempatan yang sangat baik sekali buat kita karena memang coach yang langsung berinisiatif untuk bertemu dulu dengan kita semua. Dia mau tahu dia akan bekerja dengan siapa agar kita bisa sama-sama menyamakan persepsi.
We are the family. When I work with my people, my players, my coaches, my hitmen, whatever, we are the family now.
Kita keluarga dari sini ya, siapapun yang saya temani bekerja, mulai dari pelatih, kitman, semua bagian dari keluarga dari sini.
So I want us to understand that it's not only us coaches, but it's also media teams, it's hitmen, it's physio, it's youth department. Every person in this meeting, maybe the other class you missing here, you are a big part of this project.
One more. Oh, nice coach.
Okay, with head.
Okay, or should I put this one in? No, it's fine like this. First,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh.
Guys,
Selamat sore. Selamat sore. How are you?
kemudian intro, goalkeeper, intro you already made.
How are you? Selamat sore.
Jalan.
Very good. How are you?
Sorry.
Langsung maju.
Wrong empire, huh?
That's why I say, not cheers, but stories.
But sometimes the assistant, the coaches use that as also.
Yes.
Do you have the marker, but not permanent? You have the normal one? Are you okay? Sehat? 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 Tidak sehat.
Zaki.
Baik, baik. Yesuke.
Hello. How are you? How are you? Nice to meet you. Okay, so this is our team.
Ya.
The wait for this. I think it's
Nama saya Tomas. Saya jurulatih untuk bola sepak di PS Makassar. Apa kabar?
Baik.
Bagus. Nama? Hairul. Remember?
Ya.
Yeah. So now I can do. How are you? Okay, nice to meet you. You look smart.
Coffee?
You look like the
Coffee?
gentleman from
Oh, you pay.
Because I lose.
Like official training? Like official training?
Special training? I don't take coffee.
No, not official. I mean, which team you want to get coffee?
Okay.
I can make.
So I see you.
That's why he used Real Madrid. That's why he used because he win.